The ozone layer or ozone screen is an expanse of Earth's stratosphere. It absorbs as a rule of the Sun's ultraviolet radiation. It contains an excessive concentration of ozone, O3, and predominantly originates in the let-fall portion of the stratosphere, from approximately 15 to 35 kilometers, 9.3 to 21.7 miles, above Earth. Ozone lessening is caused by the release of compounds containing gaseous chlorine or bromine from production and other personal activities. The lessening is a large amount pronounced in the polar regions, notably over Antarctica. Ozone exhaustion is a key environmental riddle for the reason that it increases the sum of ultraviolet, UV, radiation that reaches Earth's surface, which in short causes a ration of hurt to plants and animals alike. Without the ozone layer in place, radiation from the Sun would contact the Earth directly, hurting the genes of plants and animals, including humans. Skin cancer would increase. Human health, plants, nautical life, animals and similar resources like plastics, wood, fabrics, rubber are massively precious by also to a great extent ultraviolet radiation. Within the time of the ozone layer's disappearance, loads of plants would die. The intensity of the Sun's radiation would make varying photosynthesis, by which plants change undemanding energy into compound energy to fuel their growth, impossible. Without plants, the grocery procession would collapse. Herbivores would starve. Omnivores and carnivores may well give food off their bodies a few times, but their foodstuff delivery would fall, causing extinction. If the ozone disappears, at that time ultraviolet from the Sun in every one of its three forms will enter. The three types of UV are UVA, UVB and UVC. UVB and UVC are fantastically risky, even though UV preserves in reality be beneficial for us. The single-mindedness of ozone is to safeguard live organisms from too much UV radiation, which knows how to interfere with the gene and group rupture processes in animals and humans important to mutations, skin cancer, falls in eyes, weakness in the individual immune response. It can moreover concern the maritime foodstuff franchise, since it contains slaughter plankton in oceans. Since plankton starts at the beginning of the seafare chain, it will in name distress its predators. It can also shape bacterial processes such as cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria adapt nitrogen in the vent to nitrates in soil for crops. Subsequently, for crops such as corn and rice, humans will be seriously exaggerated by the need for groceries to make available. The UV container also disturbs the polymers such as unpolluted PVC, polychloride, which the container routes down in ultraviolet light.